y'all. I am so excited about today's show. I'm in here in the kitchen just thinking about wonderful things that remind me of the fall. I'm gonna be making a pecan chicken, which will go perfectly with my baked acorn squash. We're cooking up a fall harvest feast. I wanna prepare a vegetable that, gosh, brings back thoughts of my mother and her kitchen in the fall, and that's acorn squash. I think the fall might be one of my favorite seasons. It's when things start cooling down and the leaves are changing, and there's just a whole different smell in the air in autumn. So I have cut my acorn squash into, scooped out the seeds. Now I'm gonna mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, that looks like 2 tablespoons right there, doesn't it? And 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup. And we're just gonna mix those together. All right. So we've got our ingredients. Now I'm just gonna brush the inside of our acorn squash with that butter and brown sugar and syrup. So look at that. In we go, 400 degrees for 1 hour. All right, there we go. We got something in the oven that's smelling awfully good, so why don't we pull that out and just see what our finished dishes look like. We've got our acorn squash that I bathed with butter and maple syrup and brown sugar. Ooh, it's a hot oven. And look at those. They're just a sizzling. I think I'm gonna have to get the spatula. All right, doesn't that look like a fabulous meal that you'd want to serve in the fall time of the year? Look at that squash, y'all, with that brown sugar. Oh. It's so good. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.